Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this face for the first time, my name is Dafika. I do different makeup, beauty and lifestyle videos in this channel. So as the title suggests, I am here with the Nykaa haul. Pink Friday sale mein I bought a lot of stuffs, but I couldn't film because there were packages which were like pending to arrive, and I wanted to receive all of them together and then do the video. Also created this beautiful makeup look with all the products that I have bought here, and the video will be coming after this video itself. So without talking too much, let's dive in and see what all I got. So the first product which I can see here is a repurchase. This is the PAC microfiber fixing. This is a PAC micro finished makeup fixer. This is a repurchase. You all know that I love this mist. Is beautiful. I really don't remember the price of each and everything, but I'll try to give the link down in the description box. So yes, this is the first product, because if I go in details in each and every product, then it's going to take a lot of time. So this is the first product that I bought. The next product that I have is the one by K Beauty. This is the K Beauty highlighter. I have heard very good reviews about K Beauty highlighters, but I already have the pressed powder one, so I wanted to use the loose highlighter. This is what I have on my cheeks today, and the packaging is quite beautiful. It's very beautiful. They only have one shade in this one, I suppose, and I bought the shade Classic Gold as the highlighter which I have on my face as well. It's very beautiful, very pigmented. I love it. So the next product that I want to show you is again by PAC. I have bought a lot of stuff from PAC. This is the PAC translucent powder, and this is the shade 01. It doesn't look too white on my skin. It's very good for setting your base. If you are around my skin tone, this is a good shade to try. So yeah, I wanted banana loose powder, so was a good choice. Next I have again by PAC. This is the PAC bouncy primer. This is the primer that I got. This was a freebie, so I bought a lot of stuff from PAC, so I got this one as free. It's very bouncy and a very thick consistency, but this is what I have on my face. And next what I have is not a recent purchase, but a product that I already have in my box. So this is the Lakme 9 to 5 foundation. This is the primer plus matte foundation, and I am using shade Warm Natural. It's a very nice everyday sort of foundations, give a medium to full coverage sort of coverage. So the next product that I have is by the Face Shop. This is the Face Shop Rice Ceramide Emulsion. I use a lot of skincare for my face. I had to try a face emulsion, and I wanted to see what it is, but it is normally like a moisturizer. So yeah, this is the next product that I have from skincare. The next product that I have is again a repurchase. It's still sealed because I still have a older version of this which I'm using currently, older packaging. This is the Kama Ayurveda rose water. If you know me, if you have been following me for a very long time, you know I love this rose water. I just cannot live without this. I go back again and again. I have used, I think in just 6 months I've used 6 to 7 bottles of this, because I spray it all over my face every time. So the next product is something which I wanted to try, and it's very new. This is a toner. So this is the toner by Innisfree, and this is a blueberry rebalancing skin. It has glycerin in it. I wanted this for winter especially, and this is not how much I've used this. I have shifted this to a spray bottle of Kama, because I like to use my toners with a spray bottle and not with this sort of packaging. I don't like the packaging. So it smells beautiful. It has a very beautiful smell. So the next product that I have are the hair care product. This is the Livon hair serum. This is the L'Oreal Total Repair 5. This helps in smoothing and repairing serum. And yes, this is I had used a smaller version of this, and I love this for my hair, so I bought a bigger version. And this is a 80 ml bottle, and I like using this after, you know, after having a bath, only on the ends of my hair, because for my roots I use the Moroccan hair oil, and this is only for the roots, or sometimes when I feel very dry on the ends. So see, my hair is again long. Okay, I had a very bad haircut months ago and I was like very pissed off, but it's again long and beautiful. Product that I have is again from skincare. This is the Plum cleanser. This is a cleansing balm. I do use a cleansing balm by the Face Shop, but I wanted to use a different one this time, so I bought this one. I have not used it yet, but it smells very nice. Next product is this one by Miss Claire. This is the Miss Claire oil control tissue. So what is, these have a little sheets over here. What I'll just tap this one and all the oil and sweat can be observed by this paper, and my makeup will be in place. So yeah, this is the first time that I'm going to use. I have not used it yet. This product is something which I was dying to get my hands on. I had this product, and you know that I love this product so much. This is the cocoa butter formulated lip balm. This is my go-to lip balm. I love this lip balm so much. It does heal the you know, crack. If you have a cracked lips, it does heal or overnight. मतलब अब रात में आपको लगे कि your lips are like dried and cracked, just put a good thick layer of this, and in the morning you're good to go. This from a pharmacy, but I was not getting it from anywhere. It was always out of stock from Nykaa, so I bought this one from Amazon. So the moment I saw it was available, I bought 3 of them. I am currently using one of these, and these are like for stocking up. I stocked up in this. I don't want to go out of these anymore. This is the Twinkle eyebrow razor. I do use razors for my eyebrows, for my face, for my entire face. For next product that I have is from makeup. This is the Maybelline Age Refine concealer. I bought the shade medium, and it is very light for me, very light for me, and caramel is very dark for me, so I have to get my hands in the shade, I think, sand. The product that I have is by Swiss Beauty. This is the Swiss Beauty Jet Black eyeliner pencil. Not a pencil, it's a sketch pen. It's a beautiful sketch pen. The nib is so fine and beautiful. See, you can use it to make thin lines and also thick lines. So I love it. It was not so pricey, and I just love it. It's very beautiful. So the next product is something which I wanted to try from a very long time, but I found it to be a little expensive. So this is a Kajal pencil by Plum, and this is priced at around 400 to 500 rupees, and I think it's too much for a Kajal, but it's very black, jet black. So this is a pencil which you need to sharpen. I am giving so much money, but I just want something which is retractable, and but it comes with a sharpener. So this is the sharpener that you get with it. So I bought this one when there was a good discount. The liner and the kajal is smudge proof, though it's nice. So the next product is my favorite and my holy grail, and it is the mascara by L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, which I would definitely suggest everyone to have. So the next product that I have is a face wash. This is again by the Face Shop. This is the Face Shop Rice Water Bright foaming cleanser. So when I bought the 150 ml wala bottle tube, I got the 100 ml wala free. So I'm currently using the 100 ml wala, which I am liking. It is foaming and very clear, cleaning. It's cleaning my face very beautifully. So yeah, this is something which I bought new and I'm trying. Blossom Culture. This is the Aroma Magic under eye cream. I used to use the gel form of this one, which I loved. It's not that it will remove your dark circles or fine lines or anything, but it was very refreshing. I used to use that for my morning skincare routine, but that was out of stock, so I bought this one. This is in a cream format, but I am currently using this, but this doesn't have so much of, you know, moisturizing effect, or but this is not better than the gel form. If you want to buy the Aroma under eye cream. I think the gel one, which is light blue color, that is way more better than this version. By Dot and Key. I don't have the packaging of this one because I am currently using this and I'm almost halfway. And this is the vitamin C serum concentrate. I use this for my morning skincare routine. I am currently loving this. I have seen a difference on my skin. It has made my skin look more clear, but the only thing is that when you use this in the morning, you'll start looking a little oily and little dark in the morning. But the moment you start using it again and again, you will see the difference in your skin. Okay, when you don't have makeup also, your skin will look flawless and beautiful. So, and when you use vitamin C in the morning, do not forget to use your sunscreen. I do use this one, then a moisturizer, then a sunscreen. So that's 3 layers of skincare in my face early in the morning also. This is the next purchase. I love this and I'll definitely repurchase this one again. This is by Miniso. This is something that I got as a gift, but I wanted to show you. This is a gift from my baby sister. I got a beauty blender which is by Miniso. She got this from Amazon, which also has a stand. It's very cute. I have used this for today's makeup, so it's a little dirty, but it's very cute. It has eyes, nose, and very pretty. So yeah, next product that I have is something new. This is the herbal foot cream by Khadi. Yeah, this is the foot cream by Khadi Naturals. This has a very thick consistency and a little bit of scrubbing molecules in it, but it is a night cream. So what I do is, before going off to bed, when I do my skincare and my hair care, I do use this for my foot as well. So I have not seen a whole lot of difference because I just used it for a week or two, but I will complete the entire tub and then let you know whether it works on the crack heels or not. But I just use this to improve and make my feet a little more moistured and little supple. So the next product is again a holy grail. This is the one by Garnier, the Wrinkle Lift Moisturizing Anti-Aging Cream. Everybody who is above 25 should start using anti-aging cream. I have used I think a lot of dabbas of this one, and I love this one. This is always there in my nighttime regimen. This product that I have is one by Pond's. This is the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. I have already completed one tub of it. I have mistakenly bought the cream one also, but I don't like the cream. I like this one, which is in the form of gel. Next product is by L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. I have seen so much of marketing about this in YouTube that I myself wanted to buy it, but I didn't want to go for a bigger version, so I got a mini, and it's very, very mini. But yes, I have used this once or twice on my face and I do like it, but it's too early to talk about whether it's good or bad for your skin. But yes, I like it. When I use it on my skin feels alive again. So maybe after trying the entire tub, I might go for a bigger version because I like it. The next product is the one by Gillette. This is the Venus Gillette Aloe Vera Extract Razor Blades. I have the razor. This is a pack of 3 where you buy 2 and you get 1 free, I suppose. No, this is a pack of 2. I am currently using one, and this is the second one. Yes, I do shave my hands and my feet, everything. So this is for my body. This is the one by Lakme. This is the Lakme Absolute Kohl Pencil, again in the shade black. I don't know why I bought so much of kohl. It is not that smudge proof, but let's see. It had a smudger and also the pencil on one side. So my shopping cannot be completed without buying an eyeshadow palette and a lipstick. So lipstick coming to that later on, but for eyeshadow palette, I have this 2 palette by Makeup Revolution. If you see, price for 950 rupees. I got buy one get one. I got two for 950, and I thought it's a very good opportunity. And I didn't had this one. This has beautiful shades here, you know, watches. So this the palette's, whoa, it's so pigmented. I love this palette. Wow, just show you the swatch of this one also. This is not that pigmented, but it's good for beginners. And this is green, orange, and my favorite color, purple. So let me show you the swatch of this one also. So yeah, this is not that pigmented and it is a little powdery, but I love this one. If the deal is still on, you can definitely purchase these two because it's a good deal. This one, this is a Livon Heat Protect Serum, but I bought this for the dryer. What you get in this pack is you get the Siska dryer. So two of their Livon hair protecting serum, and this is the packaging. I got two of these, so not a bad deal. It was a very good deal. I got this for 800 rupees. So yeah, product that I have is by Juicy Chemistry. This is the first time that I'm buying Juicy Chemistry's product. I bought these from their own online website. So the first product is the organic under eye cream. This is for dark circles and fine lines. Which I have seen a very good review about, is the blood orange and rosehip organic lip balm. This is for pigmented lips. So I bought one of these and I got the other one for free. So we're done with drugstore and affordable stuff. So let's get into the high-end versions. So the first product that I have is the Goof Proof eyebrow pencil. This is the pencil that I usually use. I bought the shade Cool Gray, and this is a product that I bought from Sephora's website and not from Nykaa, because I was getting a very good deal out of it. Product that I have and I wanted to use since a long time is the one by Laneige. This is the Laneige water sleeping mask. I was very confused whether to buy the Clinique one or the Laneige one, but I do have Clinique's moisturizer. So, and I heard my friend talking about Laneige sleeping mask. She said that it's very beautiful and you will see the difference yourself. So and she has beautiful skin. Okay, so this is the product. This is also very similar to, I think, the Pond's one, because it's little gel form. It's in this gel format, but I definitely wanted to show you this one, and I'll use this now. I have not used this because I wanted to show you people first. So this is, I bought the bigger version, the 70 ml wala bottle, and I hope this works on me. So with this product I got a small, I think this is a gel cream. I think this is, I don't know whether this is a under eye cream or just a normal cream. So I got this for free. So next product that I have is a repurchase again. This is by Laneige again. This is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. Okay, so I love my Palmer's I love my Palmer's lip balm, but my husband loves Laneige sleeping mask, and when I was running out of Palmer's, I was not getting it from anywhere. And this also works good, but I love that one more because it is affordable. But this is a little bougie, a little classy sort of lip balm, and I like this. It's not that bad. It's very moisturizing. So I bought this one. I wanted to get the bigger version, but I thought chota wala bahut din chal jata hai, so I bought the small one itself. The next one that I'm most excited about is again, let me show you. I have opened the packaging because I have this on my eyes. So this is the first time that I bought nothing from Huda Beauty this time, Nykaa, because I was thinking to buy the Desert Dusk, because that is the only big palette of Huda Beauty which I don't have. But there was the expiry date was for within 9 months it will get expired, and I don't think I'll be using one single eyeshadow so much that it will get over by 9 months. लगता है कि 9 months में एक particular eyeshadow को use करना और ख़त्म करना, it's not possible. But if you want only one, you wanted to use only one eyeshadow palette and invest in it and then go for it, और 9 months में आप उसी को use करते रहोगे, then it would be worth it. But buying a product for 2,500 to 3,000 and it will get expired by 9 months, I don't think it is worth my money. So I went for a new brand because I like using and I love collecting different eyeshadows from different brands. So this is a very new brand that has just launched in Nykaa. This is the Lime Crime eyeshadow palette which I have. I saw different palettes also, but I wanted this one because this is the Venus Immortals, and the shade here is so beautiful, so beautiful. I bought this one because I have a lot of warm shades eyeshadows and I wanted something which has cool tone. Okay, this has beautiful cool tone shades. I love this gray which I'm using currently, and this, wow, it looks a little light but it's more dark. And let me show you one of the shimmer here is insane. Okay, it's very beautiful. You'll see the video where I have applied this and it works beautifully. And I bought this for around, there was a good discount in this one also. I bought this for 2,300 to 2,500. The offer was that if you purchase for rupees 3,500 you get a lipstick free, so that was for 2,500 I suppose. So I had to buy one more product to get one lipstick free, so I bought one lipstick again. So I bought the Lime Crime Velveteen lipstick, which is very famous lipstick. They say that it's very beautiful. The packaging is to die for. These are for I think 1,900 rupees, but there was a discount on this one also. I think I bought this for 1,500 rupees. So I bought this shade Cindy. I bought this shade Cindy, which is a beautiful rust sort of shade, and I'm happy with the purchase. And when I bought this one and the eyeshadow, I got one lipstick for free. So the lipstick which was for free was this one, and this is in the shade Rustic, which I have on my lips. It's a beautiful pink sort of a shade. I don't have this shade in my collection. I don't have either of them, okay, in my collection, and this is what the mixture of these two looks. I think I love it. So yeah, that was it. This is the entire haul that I have for you people. This is all that I bought from Nykaa this Pink Friday sale. I hope you all enjoyed. I loved all the products that I have purchased. I have no regrets or any product that I dislike. I love all of them because it's bought by my hard-earned money. So yes, if you have enjoyed the video, do not forget to like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.